YouTube? Modern Mods here. Today I'm going to be attempting to do a headlight restoration on my headlights. My headlights aren't too bad, but as you can tell, you know, it's just a little hazy. You can feel it a little bit on the touch. This one over here isn't too bad either. It's just light oxidation on my headlights, so I'm just gonna try this Meguiar's headlight restoration that I picked up from AutoZone for about, I'd say about 21 bucks. I've never used this or anything, no drill required. It comes with the cleaning solution and the headlight coating that you put on after. Also comes with these two little pads. Instead of using a drill, you're just using your hands with these little pads. But yeah, let's see if we can get these looking brand new. Now before I start, I also want to mention that they do have a whole variety of headlight restoration kits at, you know, any of auto parts stores. But I just went ahead and went with Meguiar's because I use their products a lot and I'm pretty trustworthy with them, you know. And they also have 3 other types: severe, moderate, and light. I went with the moderate one because my headlights aren't too bad. I mean, it's a little bit of oxidation and haze on there, but you know, it's not too bad as a whole bunch of other headlights that I've seen in the past. This one's not too bad, you know, it just got a little bit at the top, not very much at the bottom. But that's why I went with the moderate one. You could go with the severe one, depending on how bad your headlights are. Mine, as you can see, are not really bad at all, so I'm just gonna use this hand one, and we're gonna see how it comes out. So I'm just gonna get some masking tape. If not, you know, I'm just gonna head on in there. So other than that, let's get it going. All right, so I did a little quick 1 layer of tape all around the edge of the headlight. We're just gonna apply this cleaning solution. It says that just apply a 1/4 size of drop on one of these and just start scrubbing it away. And also, you know, wipe away with progress. So let me prop you guys up, get a little bit of footage, and you know, let's finally get this started. Now go ahead and look at that. Scrubbing it. I scrubbed it for a good, here's the pad. Scrubbed it for a good about 5 to 10 minutes, medium pressure. And towards the end, you know, I kind of went in, put a little harder pressure. Then after that, I sprayed it with some glass cleaner. And then I grabbed the headlight coating. Just one little quick spray. Says wait 3 to 5 minutes and then do a second coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait about a couple minutes, do another coat, and see how this looks. You know, right now it's definitely looking different. It's definitely looking more clear, more brand new. But yeah, let's go ahead and wait a couple minutes and I'll get right back to you guys. So in a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and do one more quick spray, maybe even 2 depending. Let me just spray it down real quick, and then let me get started on the other one. Don't worry about being too hazy. You want to get a little uniform haze around the whole headlight. Once you spray this headlight cleaner, it should go a little looking brand new. But I did like three or four full passes putting new product onto the little sponge. And now let me just wipe it down real quick, just for a little reference to how it's gonna look after. This is the other one. I'll let it dry a little bit more, but it's looking pretty good. It's looking more clear. Hopefully I get a little bit more visibility at night. But yeah, let me go ahead and put the product on this one, see if it does any changes. Yeah. If you do happen to get any overspray, you can see right here where my tape mark was at. To get yourself a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel, wipe it on there and it will come right off. Wipe it on there real good. Use the other side and dry it off. And look at that. There's nothing left. I did it to the top too. Show you guys there. Yeah. Got all that little overspray off. Just in case you are worried about getting it on your paint, just give yourself a little rubbing alcohol and it'll come right off. Alright guys, so there you have it. A little two-step headlight restoration. Came out looking pretty good actually. This one definitely, they both definitely feel way smoother. They're way clearer too. Got that clarification in both of them. Just using McGuire's headlight restoration kit. Buy this at your local AutoZone for I think it was 21 bucks. But yeah, both of these pads are reusable too. So in the future, if you need to do it again or you need to do it on someone else's car, you can do that. Just wash them thoroughly. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell if you guys want to see anything more like this, or just keep updated on our videos. All right, thank you guys. Stay safe. Peace.